What does it take to become an anime warrior? Is it the unbreakable will of Goku, the relentless discipline of Levi Ackerman, or the fiery passion of Deku? What if I told you that in just one exercises? Week 2, speed and agility. Train like a ninja with explosive movements. Week 3, intense conditioning. Push your limits with high-intensity workouts. Week 4, mastery and transformation. Combine everything to unleash your inner warrior. Each week will level up your training just like your favorite characters level up in their anime arcs. By the end of this month, you'll be ready to take on any challenge. Week 1, foundations of power. Every hero starts somewhere. In week 1, we'll focus on building your foundation. These exercises will help you develop the strength and endurance you need to tackle more advanced training. Push-ups, the ultimate upper body exercise. Start with 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Squats, build leg strength and power. Aim for 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Planks, strengthen your core and improve stability. Hold for 30-60 seconds. Do these exercises 4 times a week. And remember, even Goku had to start with basic training before he could go Super Saiyan. Week 2, speed and agility. Now that you've built your foundation, it's time to move like a ninja. In week 2, we'll focus on speed and agility, the key traits of any anime warrior. Here's your training plan. Sprints, explosive speed training. Do 5 sets of 30-second sprints with 1 minute rest in between. Jump squats, combine strength and explosiveness. Aim for 3 sets of 12 and 15 reps. Agility ladder drills. Improve your footwork and coordination. Do 3 to 5 rounds of different ladder patterns. Aim for 3 sessions this week, and don't forget to stretch. Flexibility is just as important as speed. Week 3, intense conditioning. Welcome to week 3, the turning point in your journey. This is where we push your limits with high-intensity conditioning. These workouts will test your endurance, strength, and mental toughness. Burpees, the ultimate full-body exercise. Do 4 sets of 10-15 reps. Mountain climbers, cardio and core in one. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds. Shadow boxing, channel your inner fighter. Do 3 rounds of 2 minutes, focusing on speed and precision. Do these in a circuit, 4 rounds, 3 times this week. Remember, pain is just weakness leaving the body. Push through it and you'll come out stronger. Week 4, mastery and transformation. It's time to bring it all together. In week 4, we'll combine strength, speed, and endurance to unlock your full potential. Add these advanced moves to your routine. 1-arm push-ups for ultimate upper body strength. Start with 3 sets of 5, 8 reps per arm. Box jumps, explosive power training. Aim for 3 sets of 10, 12 reps. Meditation, sharpen your focus and mental clarity. Spend 10 minutes each day visualizing your success. By the end of this week, you'll feel like a true anime warrior. Strong, fast, and unstoppable. Nutrition tips, fuel like a warrior. Training is only half the battle. To fuel your body like a warrior, you need to eat like one. Here's some nutrition tips to keep you energized and strong. Lean proteins, chicken, fish, tofu, and eggs for muscle repair and growth. Complex carbs, brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes for sustained energy. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, and olive oil for brain and joint health. Hydration, drink plenty of water. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters a day. And don't forget to treat yourself occasionally. Even heroes need a cheat day. Mental training, sharpen your spirit. A true warrior trains their mind as well as their body. Spend 10 minutes each day meditating and visualizing your success. Imagine yourself overcoming obstacles, achieving your goals, and becoming the hero of your own story. Believe in yourself and you'll achieve greatness. The final challenge, 1-month transformation montage. Congratulations, warrior. You've completed the 1-month training program and unlocked your true potential. But remember, this is just the beginning. Keep pushing, keep growing, and never stop chasing your dreams. The journey of a hero is never easy, but it's always worth it. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and keep fighting. Subscribe for more training tips and anime-inspired content. Share your progress with